In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printful to your Shopify store. This simple integration will allow you to streamline your operations by syncing products, managing orders, and automating fulfillment between these two platforms. Whether you're just starting your e-commerce journey or looking to expand your existing business, these steps will help you ensure a smooth setup process. First up, you'll want to install the Printful app on your Shopify store. Start by navigating to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Apps section, which is usually easy to spot. Click on it and then proceed to Visit Shopify App Store. In the search bar, simply type Printful and the app should appear. You'll want to click on the app from the results, and from there, hit the Add App button, followed by Install App. This will ensure that Printful is properly added to your Shopify account, paving the way for the next steps. Now that you have the Printful app installed, it's time to connect your Printful account. After installation, you'll likely be redirected to a page where you can either log into an existing Printful account or create a new one if you don't already have one. For those with an account, just enter your details and log in. If you're new to Printful, creating an account is straightforward. Just follow the prompts. Once you're logged in, you'll need to authorize the connection between your Shopify store and Printful. This step is crucial as it links the two platforms, allowing them to communicate and work together seamlessly. With your accounts linked, it's time to manage your Shopify store within Printful. Head over to the Printful dashboard and locate the Stores tab. This is where you'll manage everything related to your Shopify connection and products. You can import products from Printful to your Shopify store, which is a great feature that saves time and reduces errors. It's also the place where you can set up product details, ensuring everything looks perfect for your customers. Additionally, under this tab, you can keep tabs on order management, which will make overseeing daily operations smoother. As an optional extra, you can set up product personalization. Printful supports this customization through apps, such as Zepto Product Personalizer. Personalization can make your products more attractive to customers by allowing them to tailor items to their liking, potentially boosting your sales. By following these steps, you'll achieve a seamless integration of Printful with your Shopify store. This integration empowers you to sell custom-designed products efficiently through print-on-demand dropshipping. Thank you for tuning in, and happy selling!